Myself, Sayuj Wilson, MCA second year, Department of IT, Kannur University. My topic is unsupervised learning in AI and its applications. Unsupervised learning in AI, a machine learning technique that learns from unlabeled data. The system identifies patterns, similarities, and differences automatically. There are no target outputs. The algorithm discovers structure in data. How it works? Input data has no labels or categories. The algorithm analyzes relationships among data points. It groups or organizes data based on patterns. Example, distance, density. Helps in data exploration and pattern discovery. Main types of unsupervised learning. First one is clustering. That means groups similar data points. Example, K means hierarchical DB scan. Use is customer segmentation, image grouping. Second type is association. It finds relationships or rules between data items. Example, a priori FP growth. Use is market basket analysis. Third one is dimensionality. It reduction simplifies data by reducing features. Example is PCE, TSNE, autoencoders. Use is data visualization and noise reduction. Fourth one is anomaly detection. It detects unusual or rare patterns. Example is isolation forest, GMM. Use fraud detection and fault detection. Fifth one is density estimation. It estimates data distribution or spread. For example, KDE, Gaussian mixture models. Use is data modeling, pattern analysis. Its application is customer segmentation, grouping buyers for marketing, image segmentation, object separation in images, fraud detection, spotting unusual transactions, recommendation systems, suggesting similar items, document clustering, grouping text or articles, market basket analysis, finding items bought together, social network analysis, detecting communities influencers. Thank you.